Action News Now reporter Tori Apodaca shares the story of one woman who was on the front lines of the war against COVID-19, but is now battling the virus personally.
There was a lot of information coming at us, and a lot of it was conflicting. And there was definitely a little bit of fear.
Erica German saw the virus firsthand on the front lines when the pandemic started. She was working in the COVID unit at the hospital.
And I saw that it was something that definitely was to be respected, that it wasn't just made up.
She and her husband are fully vaccinated, but both have the virus and are quarantining. Her unvaccinated mother, in her 70s, also battling COVID-19.
I did not get it at work. It's very likely it was community acquired.
The virus is taking a toll on German's mother. She has underlying conditions and just yesterday got the monoclonal antibody treatment.
I think she's going to pull through it, but she was on day 10 yesterday, and one thing is the longer it wears on your system, the more likely it is that your body's going to give in and not be able to fight the infection.
German hopes they will all recover quickly so they can make it to her son's wedding in Hawaii, less than 10 days away.
We've asked our son to just go ahead without us, and that not very many parents want to miss out on being at their child's wedding, but we may have to, and we understand that's just the way it is.
It has not been easy for the family, but German hopes to move past this time soon.
And I think people need to remember that, even in the state of fatigue that we're in, we do need to remain diligent.
Tori Apodaca, Action News Now, coverage you can count on.
German tells Action News Now that one of the most frustrating symptoms she is dealing with is a loss of taste and smell, but she says she's grateful that her and her loved ones are on the road to recovery.